In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a rank in Excel. We'll use Excel's rank EQ function to assign positions to values, like test scores or sales totals, so you can quickly see who's first, second, third, and so on. This method also handles ties, giving identical values the same rank and skipping the next position automatically. Start by clicking the cell where you want the first rank to appear, usually next to the first number in your list. Type the formula rank.eq, and then click the cell that contains the number you want to rank. For example, H5. That first argument tells Excel which single value you're ranking. After that number, type a comma, then select the entire set of numbers you want to rank against. The instructions suggest highlighting the numbers starting from the bottom. That's absolutely fine. Whether you drag from bottom to top or top to bottom doesn't change the result. What matters is that you include the full, contiguous range that contains every value you want in the ranking. As a helpful tip, once you've highlighted the range, press the F4 key to lock it with $signs. Locking the range keeps it fixed when you copy the formula down, so every row compares against the same list. Now your formula looks like ET equal rank EQ H5, $5, $20 for example, depending on your data. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. You'll see a rank appear. By default, rank.eq treats larger numbers as better, so the largest value gets 1, the next largest gets 2, and so on. If you ever need the smallest number to be 1 instead, you can add a third argument of 1, but for this demonstration, we're using the default order, where higher is better. With the first result in place, copy the formula down to rank the rest of the list. Click the cell with the formula, press Ctrl+C, then use the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, to drag the formula down through the remaining rows. If your data column is continuous, you can also double-click the fill handle to autofill down. As the formula fills, the first argument, like H5, updates to H6, H7, and so forth, while the locked range stays the same, ensuring every value is ranked against the full set. That's all there is to it. You entered rank EQ with the value and the full range, closed the formula, pressed Enter, and then copied it down the column. You now have a clear, consistent ranking for your dataset. Save your workbook, and you're ready to use those ranks in filters, charts, or reports.